Hello everyone. All right, the S800 is sold. I know. I am excited because it is literally the best case scenario. What does that mean? I sold it to somebody that I know, and somebody that I know that is really awesome. They have their own shop and they've been rebuilding, reconstructing, and restoring Japanese cars for a while. I think they've done other cars as well, but they've got a whole crew, a whole facility, and a whole awesome operations. And it is my buddy Charles with, of course, two names here, with NSX Wraps Repair and with the YouTube channel Rev Limited. Now, you guys have to, if you like the S800, if you've been following along, this is the next level. This is the next chapter. These guys are gonna bring it home. You know, it's like a relay race where, you know, I'm a good runner, but I'm not the best runner. And now a better runner, meaning somebody who's got way more capability and experience, is taking the baton and is gonna finish the S800. Do I feel bad about it? Absolutely not. I am super excited because we were at a dead end. As a matter of fact, there was an individual who's gonna help me build the car, but they wanted like 15 grand. I don't know how to do all this 1960s engine work. And I was like, I'm not gonna get into this. And the parts are super expensive. So it was really about the labor and trying to put the engine together that I was like, I'm not gonna mess with that. And the people at Rev Limited are gonna take it home because they've got those resources and connections, and they're gonna try to get this car running. And I know I'm not gonna give anything away because you need to go to their channel, you need to subscribe, and you need to find out what they're gonna do, because they're either gonna try to get this whole engine together or do something else pretty cool. I'm not gonna say anything. They've got their own plans, and this is their baby. So it's been a long journey. And I know Elise is behind the camera. She should be standing right next to us because she was in every single video. As a matter of fact, she's in gym clothes, but it doesn't matter. Come out here, Elise. Come out here. Elise was part of everything, yes. So we just wanted to say, you know, awesomeness. All right, get back over there. And so, you know, we did this as a team, and that's the only connection that I have. But I was talking to my friend Jim about it. It's like, should I sell it? Because Elise and I worked on it so much, and they were like, don't worry about it. Just sell it if you're ready to move on, if it's at a dead end. And that's how we feel too. Not only that, guys, like, it is totally gonna open up so much space for me because I am like crazy OCD. I am like crazy, like I need space. Too much clutter makes me nervous. We spent a few days packing the car up for Charles. We spent a lot of money with bubble wrap. We played parts Tetris, and we put everything together in the car so it doesn't get hurt, so it doesn't hurt other components, and so everything's protected. We also took the time to organize things, and we gave a courtesy call to Charles, and we walked through him everything that we did. So we're excited because Charles is getting a car that's pretty far along. He's getting the parts pretty organized. He's getting a lot of new parts. He's getting the service manual, the parts manual, and one of the most important things, he's getting a car that's already titled, has a full US clean title, clean bill of health, and that's exciting. Now, the only thing we're keeping these dollies because those are ours and they're not fitting in the car, but we're gonna be excited because we're gonna film this going on the 18-wheeler, and I'm a little nervous because there's no brakes, there's no emergency brakes, and our driveway is slanted. I actually had a dream about it last night. I was like freaking out that the car like ran off and then hit somebody's other car, and it was a big drama. So what I plan to do is I'm gonna get some climbing rope, because some climbing rope is rated for like a lot of weight, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play like America's Strongest Man. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna be behind the car and trying to be the brake for it, and I'll probably see if I can call a couple friends to help out just in case. And then hopefully we get this thing on an 18-wheeler and get to Charles. But that's about it, guys. We're closing this chapter, and I am excited about it because it was a great learning experience, and I found it a huge honor to learn about it and also spend time with Elise, you know, have that husband and wife time where we worked on it, and also have an opportunity to sell it to a friend. That is the win-win, guys. This did not go to a stranger. This is going to somebody that I know, and that's super excited because at the end of the day, the whole experience just became better. Well guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, go subscribe to Rev Limited. They do awesome stuff. They're gonna do some awesome stuff with the S800. We're really excited for it. And again, we appreciate you following along, and you guys take care, and we'll talk to you soon.